Hi.
Hi,
How are
I'm
you?
Ellen.
Are you
Hi,
Alan?
Ellen. Yes,
Nice to meet you, Alan. My name is
nice to meet
Anessa.
you. Aniska. Nice to meet you.
Yes. Thank you. You too. How are you doing today?
Very tired.
Are you very tired? A long day of work, right?
Yeah, new lawyer. The work is a little difficult for me.
But I'm very sure you will get used to it very quickly and you will be doing a good job, right?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, I'm happy to be here today and to help you out learning English as well. I can hear that you can also speak English so far, right?
Yes, I was a English major student about 20 years ago.
But that's
Um,
good. Really, that's very
but
good.
but I don't have a chance to speak it every day. Never speak it.
If you speak it a lot, it helps a lot. That's the thing what's nice about Acadsoc, our company, is you speak it with your teacher, you
Mhm,
listen to your teacher as well, and you can see the script, like the study guide or the thing that we are speaking about
mhm.
is on your laptop or your computer, and it's also in English. So that helps a lot, really. It helps a lot to
Yeah.
improve your English. What also helps is to listen to English music and
Okay.
even watch English stories, watch movies, all of those.
I love English opera.
That's good. Well, that's good,
You
really.
know,
Sorry, I just want to get your name again.
Ellen.
Alan.
Ellen. Yeah.
Ellen.
En.
Like this.
E. Yeah.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
great. That's a pretty name,
Mm-hmm.
really. Very nice. And you are a worker, right?
Yes, I am 43 years old.
43 years old.
Yeah, I have a daughter, 16 years old.
Oh, that's so sweet. That's very
Yes,
nice to hear.
yeah, a very cute girl next door.
Really.
Mm.
But that's good to hear, really. It's good to hear. That's great. And have you ever taken online courses, like English online courses, anything like that? Have you ever done it before?
Never the first time.
Is this the
Uh,
first time?
yeah, my classmates of the law
Yes,
school uh, introduced your Acadsoc to me. Yes, so
that is
I
very
want to have
good.
a try. I had
Yeah,
never
that's
speak
right.
English uh, after I left my university school.
Really? Well,
Yeah,
and you are doing a great job.
thank
I'm very
you.
honest about it. You are doing a very great job. You are, even if it's way back that you have last spoke English before, you are doing a very, very good job. And that's the thing what's nice for us is the classes helps a lot to improve your
Mm,
English. Like I
well,
said, you're
I
gonna
once
speak it.
yeah, I
Hmm?
once have a dream to be a lawyer. I'm just going to be a lawyer in China, but I want to take the CA bar test in California. So
Oh, that's good.
I try to improve my uh, skills in English about
English
oral
skills.
or written or essay and the grammars. So I try to learn it well.
That's very good. And it helps a lot as well is if you travel. So it
Yeah,
helps a lot if you travel, then you can speak to someone else as well. Okay,
I
well,
I
I am
am
here to help you.
a parent. Um, I am a parent's lawyer in China now. About 3 months
Oh,
later, I will become the professional lawyer.
that's very good. I am very proud of you, and I'm happy that you are here to for us to
Thank you.
help you out with your English. And
Yeah.
a huge congratulations on getting your degree. That's very, very good. So
Mm-hmm.
well done, really.
I I treat as the wishes before I am die. If I can say
Yes.
so, I have cancer, lung cancer, at the first
Oh,
age, and I hope I can do everything I want in the left days. So I will
yes.
try my best to try everything I want to try. Uh,
To try on.
the next goal is CA bar. So I have to improve my English express very well. Maybe my level is at a 4 score now. I try to improve it in 1 year to get more than 7.5. So I will learn very hard.
That's very good. Well, I'm sorry to hear for what you have, but at the end of the day, you don't stand still on one point. You keep going. Like you're
Yeah.
getting to the things that you want to do, and before the time, while you still have the time, here
Mm-hmm.
you make the best out of it. You
Mm-hmm.
understand? And
Yeah.
that's very good. It's good that you are such a person and that you believe in that. It's very,
So
very good.
so I hope I will um take your help and improve
Yes.
my English.
Definitely, definitely. Okay, so let's start with the class. I'm just
Mm,
afraid the time is gonna run out because I
mm,
also have a class after your class. So, but let's see. Okay,
mhm,
so but on the trial lesson, we can just go on until the time we have.
mm,
And then, unfortunately, I am gonna need to greet you to get ready for the other class. But
mhm.
you're more than welcome to book another class, or even it's better to become part of Acadsoc, and then
Mhm.
you can keep on booking classes. And we have a lot of different classes which you can have a look at.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
On this one, we are gonna do events. A time where you were sleepy but had to stay awake. On.
Mhm.
So in this lesson, you will finish an entire IELTS speaking test with your teacher, learn and practice the suggest answers.
Mhm.
Okay. So now, part one. Now is the
Mhm.
first part. I'd like to ask you some questions about yourself. The part
Mhm.
lasts for 4 to 5 minutes. Shopping. Do you like shopping?
No. Uh, I was
Ah,
a merchandiser of customers, especially on women's wears and children's wears. I am help the designer become a picture, design sketch become to a first first dress. How to become?
yes.
Yeah, I am a merchandiser, help to quotation. Yeah, I am a merchandiser.
Oh, that's
In,
very good to hear.
so I cannot buy it in the shopping at a very uh, high expense.
Expense
And
on as
yeah,
well.
yeah, it's very expensive in the shop, window shop.
Yes.
It's
And the
about
thing nowadays,
um,
sorry.
no. I'm just quit my
Uh,
job and shift into law. Yeah, shift into the law firm.
the law firm. That's very good to hear. Yes. But do you compare prices when you shop and why?
Yes, I don't have to compare most of the time. I can tell the costing of this